Okay, make a song. Song about food.
I don't want food. Actually, fish.
We did fish.
Oh, did we? Trees.
Trees.
All trees are tall. Some trees are small. But even if they're small, they're bigger than me and you. And that's what it said. It's their Christmas trees.
Trees are awesome. I like to climb them. If I had my way, I'd climb a tree every day. Trees are cool.
And they're really tall.
Yeah. Trees are cool. And they're really tough.
Oh. Some trees are bigger than me. Some trees are bigger than you. Some trees almost touch the sky. Some trees touch the sun and the moon at nighttime.
Those are pretty cool trees. Some trees like to hold you in their branches. Some trees shade you from the sun. Some trees are beautiful, and there's a tree I think for everyone. Trees have fruit and trees have leaves. Trees have needles and trees make paper. Trees help us live and grow. Ooh, oh.
They help animals, so they have a home like beavers. Beavers are bad because they cut down our trees so we don't get air.
Oh, they're not bad. That's just what they do to survive.
Oh, yeah.
Beavers make dams and...
Yeah. So they, and they put the sticks all the way under the water and they stick them like that from the mud. Your turn.
Song about trees. Song about trees. Song about trees. Song about trees. Do you know how to spell tree? It's T-R-E-E-E. Do you know how to spell tree?
If you would scoot right here, Cole could get in the picture.
Cole.
Right here.
I know, hi, Connor. Coach very tired. Coach.
Oh, scoot a little bit more.
Here, we'll do